Hello there, and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be painting one of my A180 blaster pistols. I already primed this one with a white primer, so I am going to go ahead and paint it silver. Once that was dry, I did some masking and painted it black. And here I am going over some of the details that I was not able to hit with the spray paint. The silver will be used later for the weathering. Now we are ready for the silver. As you can see, I am lightly going over all of the edges with the silver paint. This will really give it a metallic look. The pistol that you see before you is handmade. I built it using many different materials, including cardboard, PVC pipe, Legos, screws, craft foam, and much more. My other pistol is a 3D printed blaster pistol I bought off of Etsy, and it looks great. I forgot to paint this part black, so I am doing that now. And here I am weathering the silver parts of the gun, just by putting some black marks on it. And here I am just adding some more weathering using silver. I am also going to do some actual weathering on the part that I painted using a sanding sponge. And there you have it. This really looks a lot better now that it's been weathered. I hope you enjoyed this video, or found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.